Ready to unlock a world of magic right from your iPhone? Let's get you set up with Disney in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have the Disney app downloaded on your iPhone. If you don't, head over to the App Store and download it now by searching Disney+. Once the app is downloaded, tap the Disney icon to open the app. On the welcome screen, you will find a Subscribe Now button. Tap on this button to start the subscription process. You will now see different subscription plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs by tapping on it. Disney typically offers a variety of options, so be sure to read the details of each one carefully. This is where it gets simple. The app will prompt you to confirm your subscription through your Apple ID. You'll see listed all the payment methods connected to your Apple ID, like your credit card, debit card, or Apple account balance. Confirm the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password as prompted. And that's it. You are now subscribed to Disney and can start enjoying endless entertainment. You can immediately begin browsing movies and shows. You might also need to set up a profile for each family member, which you can do right from the main screen.